Hello teachers. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check your first quarter assignments to ensure that they are set up correctly to count for a rolling gradebook for all 4 quarters. So first, you can click into any one of your sections in the gradebook. You'll hover over Gradebook and click on Assignments. Next, you'll see 2 new tabs have appeared here, Assignments, which it's on right now, and Grading Periods. Please click on Grading Periods. All right, so from this view, because we are in the first quarter, we should see that all assignments are checked for first, second, third, and fourth quarter. So you'll notice my identifying figurative language classwork and quiz have the correct boxes, but you might notice that some assignments are only checked off for the first quarter, not for the rest, or might just be missing one of the quarters. To fix that, you can check this all box and it will immediately check everything under in case you're missing any assignments. Once you're done with that, click Save Grading Periods. So I just checked my period 4 class. If there are other classes that also had those same assignments, it will take hold in those other classes. However, if you have a completely different type of section that would have new assignments, you need to click into that one as well to check the assignments in that class section. And that's how you check to make sure you have quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 quickly and easily in all of your classes.